the PJACBM. In full form, it's the People's Joint Action Committee for Boroland Movement. It is a conglomerate and umbrella organization comprising many several organizations of the proposed Boroland. At present, it numbers around 56. Taking into confidence all section and all irrespective of caste and creed, we want the government of India to settling the Boroland issue, the Boroland embargo in a peaceful manner. We want the everlasting solution to the Boroland issue. The National Democratic Front of Boroland, an underground fit organization which came to ceasefire on the 2005, taking into view the problems of the NDAB, we have tried to form an organization just as the PJACBM on 2011 of the 31st March. So we are around 8 years old now, 8 years in existing at present. And our main objective is for a peaceful solution to the Boroland issue. We want to bring into confidence the old sections that have been residing in the proposed Boroland area for many years. And so we have tried all these organizations to come into our platform and to help us in finding an amicable solution to this long pending issue of the Boros. At present, we are part of a joint movement group that comprise the ABSU, the NDPP, the UPPL, and ourselves. So we have a negotiation with the government of India for the last 7 and 8 years. 4 times we had a discussion with the UPA government that was led by the Congress I, and 3 times with the NDA government that was led by the BJP. So we have been trying hard. We've been trying hard to press the God of India for an early solution, and we want the Boro issue to be settled once and for all, so that in future the generation of the proposed Boroland area could live in peace. So that is our objective. So in 2014, since the Joint Action Committee for Boroland Movement is a non-political organization, we are not a political outfit, but in the interest of the solving of issue, in the last 2014 election, we supported the BJP to form a government, and so we have supported it in many areas that the BJP can win, BJP should win, so that if the BJP forms a government in the center, our issue will be solved. Being a non-political organization and respecting the parliamentary system of governance in the Indian Constitution, we have directly, indirectly supported the BJP government, and at present 2019, we have taken the same decision, but this time we are not supporting the BJP. If some party comes out and say that we are ready to solve a problem within a stipulated framework time, and for the greater interest that the borderline issue be solved and the borderline status be given, we are ready to support any political party. But at present, we are trying to fight all the Boro majority area, where our Boro people is dominant in that area. In Kokrajhar, we will be supporting our like-minded political party like the UPPL, and same at the Mangalday constituency. If the UPPL, which is our like-minded allied organization which has been spreading the movement along with us for the statehood, we will be supporting the candidate, whoever the candidate they presents, and same is a tasteful seat. So the role in the 2019 election, we will be supporting along with our like-minded organization, so that our issue will be solved. Those individuals who can work for our cause, we are ready to support it. And if the party would come up straightly and solve our problem and help us in solving our problem, we will support it. And straightly what we want to say that in some sense we may not win, but we will try to defeat that anti-Boroland forces who have been hampering who has been blocking, who doesn't want the Boroland statute. So we are straightforward. Our movement will go on, whether the present BJP government or the Congress government. We are demanding a separate state for the Boroland, a separate state of Boroland since independence. So, since our demand is constantly supporting us, as the Article 2 and 3 straightforward says that the state in the Indian Union can be created, can be formed. So, for any extent, for the sake of the Boroland statehood, we may support, who may come up to create our separate state, or if that does not materialize, we are ready to go for a movement until our goal is achieved.